Akal water. Os.
Salute! General salute! Salami! Chest! Salman Bagal! Chest! सलमान गढ़ आपके निरीक्षण की तैयारी से सलमान गढ़ लाइन गुड
No, boss. Masuk.
Good morning to one and all present here. I welcome our respected DGP, IGP, DYGP, Deputy Commandant General Home Guards, Junior Staff Officer, all SPs, DYSPs, Home Guards and Civil Defense Volunteers of this organization. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the 62nd Rising Day of Home Guards and Civil Defense Organization, Panaji, Goa. May I request our JSO to give a welcome speech.
It is a great honor to welcome respected Director General of Police, Goa, and Commandant General Home Guards and Director Civil Defense, Sri Alok Kumar, IPS, sir. Our DIG Headquarters, Sri Ajay Sharma, IPS, sir. SP and Deputy Commandant General Home Guards and Deputy Director Civil Defense, Srimati Ezilda D'Souza, Madam. All SPs, Deputy Controller Civil Defense, Srimati Sharmila Jujat, Dr. Vijay Parab, Medical Officer, Civil Defense, all DYSPs, Officers of the Police Department, other ranks, media, Chief Warden and Wardens of Civil Defense, Civil Defense Volunteers, Home Guard Volunteers, staff, and other dignitaries. On the occasion of the annual Raising Day of Home Guards and Civil Defense Organization. The Home Guards and Civil Defense Organization was raised to provide protection to citizens in any distress situation. Therefore, 6 December every year is celebrated throughout India as Raising Day of the organization. The Home Guard and Civil Defense Organizations renders vital and absolutely valuable service to the society, and we laud their spirit of dedication and selfless service. We have also received congratulatory messages from the Honorable President of India, Honorable Home Minister of India, Honorable Governor of Goa, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, the Chief Secretary of Goa, the Director General of Civil Defense and Home Guards New Delhi, and Home Secretary, New Delhi, on the occasion of Annual Raising Day of Home Guards and Civil Defense Organization. On behalf of the Home Guards and Civil Defense Organization, I take this opportunity to once again extend a warm and hearty welcome to all the dignitaries present here for today's function. Also, my best wishes to the Home Guards and Civil Defense volunteers throughout the state. I will now read the message received from the Excellency, the President of India. I am happy to know that All India Civil Defense and Home Guards Day is being celebrated on 6 December 2024. The Civil Defense and Home Guards organizations have demonstrated remarkable commitment in safeguarding the lives and property of civilians during hostilities, disasters, or local emergencies. Both the organizations play a vital role in augmenting the capacity of local administration as force multiplier and implementing the passive defense measures. I am confident that the members and volunteers of both organizations will continue to serve the nation with diligence and unwavering dedication. On this occasion, I extend my greetings and felicitations to all those associated with these organizations and wish them continued success in their future endeavors. Draupadi Murmu. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request to the Deputy Commandant to present flower from Home Guards and Civil Defense volunteer and staff to DGP sir as a token of appreciation. May I also request Deputy Commandant to present a flower DIGP sir as a token of appreciation. May I also request Deputy Commandant to present a flower DIGP Madam as a token of appreciation. May I also request JSO to present a flower to Deputy Commandant of Home Guards and Deputy Director of Civil Defense.
Hello, sir. Police station.
May I also request Deputy Commandant to present a flower DIGP Madam as a token of appreciation.
She's not there. Next.
Now I request to JSO to read out the messages with respect to the 62nd Rising Day.
Hello. Okay.
I request to Deputy Commandant to say a few words to encourage the Home Guards.
Right. खाता कम है चला तो कौन है ये आले हाँ
Good morning, everybody. Respected DGP sir, Commandant General Home Guards and Director Civil Defense, respected DIG HQ sir, all my colleagues, officers, members of Home Guards and Civil Defense volunteers. It is indeed my honor as a member of the Home Guards and Civil Defense to address you all on this occasion of the 62nd Annual Raising Day of Home Guards and Civil Defense, which is celebrated all over the country on 6th December. Every year, I would like to extend my warm wishes to each and everyone present here today. The Home Guards organization was started in Goa in 1967, and the same was functioning under the police department. Thereafter, it was established in full-fledged manner in the year 1981. The sanctioned strength of Home Guards in Goa is 1,500, and the present strength is 1,230. The recruitment process for 143 posts of Home Guard volunteers is under process. The Civil Defence volunteer strength for North Goa is 91 and for South Goa is 100 in total. The Home Guards are imparted 45 days basic training in PTS Valpoi, and they attend weekly parades on every Friday at GRP Camp Altino. We have also proposed to the government to start monthly parades for the Civil Defence volunteers. During the year 2023, the Home Guard volunteers have been awarded with cash and 241 good service tickets in recognition of their commendable services rendered on various occasions. They have attended various programs like the First Aid Rescue Operation, NOTS for rescue operations, Disaster Psychosocial Intervention, Disaster Management and Monsoon Preparedness, mock drills, basic life support techniques. They have also attended medical checkup camps in connection with diabetes and hypertension, National Tsunami Mock Drill, and International Yoga Day programs. The awareness on new criminal laws training was also organized for the Home Guard volunteers by the Assistant Public Prosecutor, PTS Valpoi. The Home Guards and Civil Defence have also attended the training conducted by NDRF as part of SDRF training at Geo Institute and also at NDRF Pune at every year. 300 Home Guard volunteers attended the Maharashtra elections duty, and also they assist the Goa police in election duty, traffic management and law and order duties. I am sure in the years to come, all members of this organization will continue to dedicate themselves to the service of the nation and will continue to serve the public with resolve, zeal and enthusiasm. I convey my best wishes to all.
Thank you, madam. I request to DGP sir to say a few words.
DIG Headquarters, Deputy Commandant General Home Guards, speech and dear friends. It is an honor and privilege to be with you on this occasion, the Home Guards Raging Day. Today we gather to commemorate the tireless dedication, unwavering service and the remarkable contribution of our Home Guards to the safety and security of our country and communities. Home Guards are the unsung heroes, the guardians of peace who work diligently behind the scene to ensure the smooth functioning of society, especially during the times of crisis. The Home Guard is not just a title, it is a symbol of commitment, bravery and selflessness. From assisting the police during emergencies to providing support in times of natural calamities, the role of Home Guards is indispensable. Founded with the objective of augmenting the efforts of law enforcement agencies, the Home Guard force has grown and evolved into a highly effective and trained unit. The commitment and courage demonstrated by our Home Guards are nothing short of exceptional. They dedicate themselves to maintaining public order, responding to disasters, assisting in civil defense, and even contributing to community building initiatives. This Raging Day is a celebration of their tireless spirit and their unwavering belief in the greater good. It is a day to acknowledge their sacrifice and express our heartfelt gratitude for their contributions. They are men and women who, despite having other primary professions, step forward to protect and serve their community. Whether it is through crowd management, disaster relief, or providing a helping hand during festivals or public events, their contribution is indispensable. The Home Guards have proven time and again that their duty goes beyond routine responsibilities. They stand as pillars of support during times of need, be it in ensuring law and order during public unrest or assisting in rescue operations during floods, earthquakes and other natural disasters. The total sanctioned strength of Home Guard in Goa is 1500 and the present strength is 1230. Out of the present strength of 1230 Home Guards, 945 are male and 285 are female. Out of 270 vacant posts, 143 posts of Home Guard volunteers are under the process of enrollment. Goa government has kept 10% reservation for home guards for the post of police constable and also 10% vacancies of excise guard, jail guard, fireman and forest guard. Vacancies and posts maintain a 100-point roster to fill up the reserved vacancies. I would also like to say on this occasion that many of home guards, they are rendering very valuable service in the police station, traffic circle, and many times during Nakabandi or if there is a festival, then also their duties are there. So if they are doing a good job, then along with the concerned police personnel, rewards for home guards should also be put up. So I always see that whenever reward rolls come from a police station or any other unit, then there is no recommendation for the home guards. So if they play any role, then of course their names should also be put up on the reward roll. So that's what I want to say. We are there for your welfare and well-being. And if there is any problem, anything, then of course you can come to Deputy Commandant General, and in case needed, then you can come to me also. All the best on this occasion. Congratulations and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. I request our medical officer to give a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to all. It is indeed a great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks for today's occasion on behalf of Home Guards and Civil Defence Organization to all the respected dignitaries present here. First and foremost, I would like to profoundly thank our Honorable DGP Sir, Shri Alok Kumar IPS, for gracing today's function. Thank you, sir. I would also like to wholeheartedly thank our respected DIGP Sir Sri Ajay Sharma IPS for gracing today's function. My deepest gratitude to Deputy Commandant Home Guard, Deputy Director Civil Defence, Madam Srimati Azilda D'Souza for her valuable presence. My humble thanks to all the SPs for attending today's function. I also take this opportunity to thank Deputy Controller Civil Defence Srimati Sharmila Zuzart and Junior Staff Officer District Commandant Home Guards Sri Francisco Kaur for their valuable presence. I also thank all the DYSPs and senior police officers for attending today's function. My joyful thanks to all the Home Guards, Civil Defence volunteers and members of musical band and all the staff for attending today's function and making it a special one. My sincere thanks to officers of Police Headquarters for providing logistic support for today's event. My special thanks to the members from press and media for covering today's event. Last but not the least, I would like to thank each and everyone involved, directly or indirectly, in making today's event a success. Once again, I wish everyone present here a very happy annual raising day of Home Guards and Civil Defence Organization. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
I request all to stand to say a national anthem.